Hello guys, welcome back to my Java online class. In today's class, I'm going to explain importance of object orientation. Come on, let me start. Higher level of abstraction. Objects encapsulate both data and functions. They work at a higher level of abstraction. The development can proceed at the object level and ignore the rest of the system for as long as necessary. This makes designing, coding, testing, maintaining the system much simpler. So guys, classes are nothing but a collection of objects and each object encapsulate data and functions. They work at higher level of abstraction. Here abstraction in the sense objects which takes into account of only the essential parts of your attributes or methods, and it hides remaining parts, remaining details. That is what development can proceed at the object level and ignore the rest of the system for as long as necessary. Unnecessary part of the objects are ignored. Only the necessary parts are taken into account. And here it makes the designing, coding, testing, maintaining the system much simpler because we don't have the complexity of the code. Only the necessary details we are taking into account. That is what it reduces the code. From that, the designing of our system or coding, testing, maintaining the system, everything, it will become simpler. So this is higher level of abstraction. Seamless transition among different phases of software development. See guys, in traditional approach of software development, we need to cross different styles and different methodologies for each step of the process. So in traditional approach, from those different styles and different methodologies, suppose if we need to move from one phase to another, that requires a complex transition because there we use different styles and methodologies. That is what to transfer from one phase to another phase, that takes much time and the complexity of your coding level it increases. This transition not only can slow down the development process but also increases the size of the project. See guys, because each and everything, suppose this is the first phase, this is the second phase, from this phase to this phase if you want to move, transfer the coding part means it takes much time, it slows down the development process because here you used the different strategies, different methodologies, and you want the same methodologies and strategies to be transferred to here means it takes much time, slows down your development process. And the chance for errors introduced in moving from one language to another. Suppose if you are moving your code from one language to another language, there might be chances for errors. The object-oriented approach, on the other hand, essentially uses the same language to talk about analysis, design, programming, and database design. Here, in our object-oriented programming language, it uses the same language to talk about analysis. It may be in the analysis, design, programming, or database design. That is what it reduces the level of complexity and redundancy. Redundancy in the sense repetition of code, and makes for clearer because we don't have any complexity means that will be very clearer. Encouragement of good programming technique. Suppose if you group your classes into subsystem, that is not mean that those classes which you are grouping into subsystem are dependent on each other. They are not actually depending on each other. Therefore, changing one class has no impact on other class. If you change the code of one class, it is not going to impact on the other class, and the impact is minimized. The object oriented approach will promote perfect design or perfect code. From this, there will be no chance of errors or impact on any other section of the code. From this object oriented approach, it promotes the perfect design and perfect code. Promotion of reusability. Objects are reusable. Objects are independent from one object to another object. They can be used repeatedly because objects provides the higher level of abstraction. Hides the implementation details, only the essential part can be taken into account. That is what objects are reusable. This is the class for the day, guys. Have a nice day.